mga bakla, buenos dias, magandang umaga dyan sa Pilipinas, and guwandahin dyan sa Iceland, and yes, another day, another vlog, mini vlog, and today, I'm just gonna take a walk. We cannot stay inside, just inside the boat, because it's not healthy. We have to walk also, and I guess I'm gonna try to fly the drone also, because it's been a long time that I didn't try yet, so it's getting rusty and we have to do that. But the problem is I don't have my eyeglasses, which is the biggest problem, because if we fly it more than 50 meters, of course I'm not gonna see it because I have a problem with the far sight, but we're gonna try. So I just want to take photos, videos for the content, and that's it. So let's go and enjoy the day. Today is Saturday, oh, of course Saturday yesterday. So last night we were busy, we were not able to do things because we had to go to house of a friend in Catral. Then now I have to go somewhere. I have to make some videos, photos, and take a walk. And it's freaking hot actually. So we're gonna go to the shady area. I'm gonna try also to go on the top of this bridge, try to fly the drone there, so we are safe. There's police, of course, you just know. Okay, let's go and start the day. Hi mga bakla, welcome back. So ayan, ito ang itsura dito. Diba? Super aliwalas. Aliwalas. And I think they're gonna put a playground here. A future playground for the kids, probably. And there's many cafes here. Let's go stay here sometime. But of course, it's pricey compared to others. And here's first the docking area for the barca. The big. That's the big ship for the barca. Let's try go upstairs. So, at this time, 11 to 12, it's kind of quiet. Pero ito ang kanilang, dito. Pwede ka naman tumambay, pwede ka pa rin magstay dito. Some cafes are open. Actually, they're open already, just quiet. Not much people. Yeah, let's go on make tour. Probably go on the top also. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to find a place where we can fly the drone. So let's go. I hope I don't get caught here. I mean, there's no guard or whatsoever, so I think we can fly it. Just a bit. Oh my god, it's kind of scary to do it, but let's do this. And they have hashtag Torrevieja, Paseo del Mar. What the heck? It should be like that. So it's Paseo del Mar. Ta-da! Okay, let's go and take a photo.
It's always about you, you, you. Always about you, you. It's always about you, you, you. I think you're so rude. It's always about you, you, you. Always about you, you. It's always about you, you, you. I think you're so rude. It's always about you, you, you. Always about you, you. It's always about you, you, you. I think you're so rude. It's always about you, you, you. Always about you.
Hi mga bak, so ayan. Ito sa second floor. I don't know kung meron silang third floor. I think meron naman. So punta na lang tayo sa third floor para ma-explore naman natin to. Meron silang dress-friendly mga bakla. Ayan. You can see, they have, so you are not allowed to wear underwear or just UPs, shirtless or bikinis, that's permitted. So yeah, there are clothes that is not allowed to wear. Beach clothes, and look at that. They have turbans, sushi. Let's go on the top. And cinema. I've been in cinema for once actually. Here. It's not too big, but it's fine. Ta-da! Let's go. Third floor. I think this is where the McDonald's is. Guys. So if you're looking for fast food thingy, McDonald's is here. Super nice here. I hope that they just put, I wish that they put, what's this? A chair, you know, so you can chill out here also. Because, this is the top. This is where it's cool, you know. And there's an elevator also. So no worries for the elder people if you're worried it's too high. It's not. They have a tram elevator. And you will see the view here. As you can see, the view of Marina. Hi everyone, welcome back. So now I'm just trying to reconnect the drone. And this is the look here. And the drone itself is low battery, so I need to fly this one time. Then after that, we're gonna go back home, charge it and whatsoever. And this is the look here. If you just don't know, there you go. So every 12, every 11 to 12, very open actually. It's kind of quiet. It's better to, if you want to make videos, and it's better to come here at this time because you have plenty of space and no distraction. It's like this one. And now let's go and fly the drone. Everyone, welcome back. So we just finished flying the drone, and it's super special day because there's not much people. So I had a good time. I had a good time to take a photos, just lying down, feeling the air. And look at that, there's a small airplane there. I don't know if you can see it. What a beautiful day, huh? So I think next time I would like to do something more tricks. Maybe go in there, something like that. I don't know, because there's a lot of tricks that we can do with a drone, but as of now, I'm doing it. I have to go back to the boat because Stefan is waiting for me. That's for sure. So let's go and go back and maybe cook something, eat. Let's find the elevator. Or we can also wash ourselves first because they have a good toilet here. So let's go. So dito tayo sa CR nila. So for those people who's gonna visit Torrevieja, I highly recommend to visit the Paseo del Mar. So one of the adventures to come here, of course, to use the toilet, which is so clean. Look at that, so tidy. They have Dyson for the dryer, so it's not a mess. Super neat. So yeah, so let's go and go back to the boat. So I'm leaving